like a match can. Having someone who loves you despite your faults. Having someone who talks the talk but also walks the walk. Having someone who understands that a thug has feelings too. Someone who loves you for sure. You just remember to never let them go. 'Cause even when your husband lays on me, she'll be by your side still. She'll be by your side. Even when those twenties start spinning and all those gold digging women disappear, she'll still be here. Must be nice. Having someone you can come home to from a long day work. Yeah. Having someone you don't